If your Firestick remote controls everything except volume, the remote is using Bluetooth for navigation but infrared for volume. The first fix is equipment control. Make sure the TV brand is correct. Then run the volume test. Next, replace the AAA batteries. Infrared volume commands need more power than Bluetooth navigation, so volume often fails first. If it still fails, reset and repair the remote. Just remember that pairing alone is not enough. Rerun equipment control afterwards so the volume buttons know your TV. Scan the full Firestick remote volume fix guide on smarttvs.org.